Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make at least $100 every single day with Warrior Plus right here. And as you can see on my screen, you can see earnings, affiliates, $5, $22, $4, $12. You can see right here I withdrew $12, this is $4, this is $8, everything accumulated to about $100. To show that this is not kind of like a screenshot or fake, let me reload the screen right here so you can see it's reloading. And while it's reloading, guys, I know it's been long I posted the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's reloaded right now. As you can see, they are still intact. Let me reload the screen again. Let me cancel it and reload it again. Let me reload so you will know that I'm not those kind of fake guys or right here on YouTube that show you what's not working. I show you what's working. As you can see here, it's still intact. $5, $22, $4, and so everything should accumulate to about $100. So I'm going to show you the tactics that I use to get this money every single day. Now, first of all, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. It's going to help me a lot. And if you have any question at the end of this video, you can drop it in the comment section below. Now let's get right into this video. Now, the traffic method I use to make this money I just showed you right now is through two ways. I used YouTube and I also used Facebook. Now I want to show you guys the offer I promoted right here. Where is the offer? Yeah, here is it. As you can see, I have the link already. Let's check the offer right here. Let's open the offer I promoted. Now this is the link to the offer I promoted. Google Play. You can see this link to the offer I promoted. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna first of all, using YouTube, you're gonna create a video reviewing this product yourself. Now let me show you guys the video I created. Let me show you guys the video I created so you know that it's exactly what I did. I'm gonna tell you, but you guys shouldn't go ahead and create a review on this product right here. You can choose other products. There are tons of products right here. As you can see, there are tons of products right here on Warrior Plus that is going to pay you huge amount of money. This one is going to pay you $47. This one is going to pay you $18. You can just pick a product request and you're going to get approved and you're going to start promoting the product immediately. You create a YouTube channel first of all, and the second method I'm going to show you is kind of easy, but just hold on. Let me show you this method first. This is actually the method that made me the most amount of money, so that's what I'm going to show you first. Okay, while YouTube is loading up, guys, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below and subscribe if you want to know more making money online tips and so on and so forth. Yeah, it's loading up, it's loading. The network is kind of slow. Yeah, now that it's loaded up, guys, let me show you the YouTube video. Let's search for my channel right here, WebHustle, or let's just click on right here and your channel. Yeah, this is my channel right here. I have a 2 subscribers. That's why I'm begging you guys to subscribe. Just please subscribe to my channel so that I can grow. Thank you very much as you do. Now this is the video right here I made. You can head over to watch the video. It has 769 views and I've made over $100 from that video. So you're going to create a review of these products right here, and an honest review actually. And you're gonna put the link to this website in the description of your YouTube video, and people is going to click on the link and get the product. It's as simple as that. It's very simple like that. Now I'm also going to put the link to this website in the description below. If you want to go check it out, you're free to go check it out or get the product also, so that you can use once you've gotten the product, you can use it for a review on your YouTube channel also. But if you're just not that kind of person that can't speak on YouTube, or you're too shy or stuff like that, you can use Facebook. Yeah, you can use Facebook. Facebook is another place you can use to promote Warrior Plus products, and it's very, very, very efficient. Let me head over to Facebook and show you what I'm talking about. Now that we're logging on Facebook, and okay, now that we've logged on Facebook, I'm going to show you how you can use Facebook to make this amount of money right here. What is it? Let me open it up and show you. So you should know that it's not kind of fake. Okay, here is it right here. All this kind of amount of money, $5, $22, and so on and so forth. what you're gonna do, you're gonna get the link to your product, this product right here. Now, if you don't know what to type on Facebook, it's pretty easy. Just copy what is on the page of the product. Just copy what's on the page of the product. So let's copy right here. Okay, let's stop on here. Just copy it to text. Head over to a Make Money Online group on Facebook. Online group on Facebook. And make a post. This is a group right here. Yeah, I'm already a member of the group to show you that what I'm saying, I'm not lying to you guys. It's what I've done before. Now, you can just make a post. Paste what you've copied from this website right here. Yeah, just Control V, paste it, as we see. It says, what if it was possible to get paid every time we use you? Okay, let's change it to you because you're talking to people in the group. Why will you use Google? Expose one person to you. You know, all these what's it called? All these texts are catchy. When people see it, they want to like know what's up. And then after that, you can just enter and click on and type if you want to know more. Inbox me or message me anyone you want. If possible, you can head over to the website and look for pictures that are catchy, that can catch like pictures like this, so that it will try catch people's attention. Pictures like this, it will catch people's attention, and they're gonna get the product no matter what, because the product gives what it promises, as you can see. Now I've made the post. You can see right here. What if it was possible to get paid every time you use Google? Expose 1.7 Google posts for simply searching on Google. No skills or experience, no way to get paid, no extra fees, no BS. If you want to know more, inbox me. It's as simple as that. Now I've showed you guys 2 traffic methods in which you can use to promote your Warrior Plus product and make at least $100 a day, if not less or if not more. At least $100 per day is all you should do. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. This video is as short as that. You can drop the question in the comment section below. I'm very glad to answer you. And like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And I will see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.